Your lesson essential question is, how do you find perimeter? So this week we are going to be working with shapes and finding their perimeter. Perimeter is the distance around the edge of a shape. So look at this square. If we added the size of all of these sides together, we would find perimeter. Gus wants to put up a fence to make a dog park. He made two different designs. What is the perimeter of each dog park design? What design should Gus use? The distance around the figure is its perimeter. The perimeter of the dog park needs to be at least 30 feet. So there's a few different ways that we can find perimeter. One way is we can count the units. So you can see that this shape right here is drawn on graph paper. If we count the units, we can see down here each unit is 1 foot. So if we count all the way around, we'll have the perimeter. When I'm counting units, I like to mark each one so that I know that I've already counted it. So when you find a problem like this, just so that you know that you're not counting the same thing twice or missing any, you can put a little mark in them. So as you count around, just mark it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, and 34. So the perimeter is 34 feet for this shape. The other way is to add each side together. So if you take a look at this shape, we have 7, 3, 6, 3, and 9. So add it all together and you get 28. The perimeter of this shape is 28 feet. Now, up here, I see that we need to figure out which design Gus should use. And we know that the perimeter has to be at least 30 feet. That information was down here. Now looking at this shape, it's 34. So is it at least 30 feet? Yes. Is this one at least 30 feet? No. So our answer is this first shape right here is the one that Gus should use. So finding perimeter is pretty easy. You're either counting units or you're adding sides together. When you have very common shapes like squares and rectangles, it's actually a little bit easier. Now, if you look at this rectangle, we know that in rectangles, the parallel sides are the same. So these two sides are the same, and these two sides are the same. That means that I don't have to do 10 plus 6 plus 10 plus 6. I can change this to 10 times 2 and 6 times 2, and then just add those two together. So can I do 10 plus 6 plus 10 plus 6? Yes, but we can also do multiplication to solve a problem like that. And then with a square, you know all the sides are the same. So if you know one side, like this one is 9 meters, 4 times 9, or 9 times 4. So there's lots of ways to use mental math, even when you're finding perimeter. Today you're going to be practicing finding perimeter by counting units and adding sides. Tomorrow you're going to be practicing with more common shapes like this.